See the problem number 1. If NC4 equals to 210, find N. We know that what is the formula of NCR? NCR equals to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. So NC4 N factorial by N minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial equals to 210. So N factorial can be written as N times N minus 1 times N minus 2 times N minus 3 times N minus 4 factorial by N minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial equals to 210. So N minus 4 factorial, N minus 4 factorial get cancelled. N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 by 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equals to 210. N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 by 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24 equals to 210. N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 equals to 210. 24 transpose right side, multiply with 24. So 200 times of 24 is 5040. So N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3. So 5040. So 5, 10 table, 10 5s, 10 4s. 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 8 7 are 56. So it can be written as 10 times, 9 times, 8 times, 7. So n times n minus 1 times, n minus 2 times, n minus 3. Observe that n equals to 10, n minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, 10 minus 2 is 8, 10 minus 3 is 7. Therefore, the value of n is 10. Problem number 1, second one. If 10 into NC2 equals to 3 into n plus 1 C3. 10 into NC2 equals to 3 into n plus 1 C3. 10 into NC2. NCR, what is NCR formula? NCR equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So 10C2, 10 times of NC2 means n factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial equals to 3 into NCR, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. That means n plus 1 factorial by n plus 1 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Okay, that equals to 10 into n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial by n minus 2 factorial. 2 factorial is nothing but 2 times 1 equals to 3 into n plus 1 factorial can be written as n plus 1 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1. So n minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial get cancelled, n minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial get cancelled. Okay, so 2 5 times here, 3 get cancelled. So finally n into n minus 1 equals to n plus 1 times n minus 1 by 2 times of 1 is 2. Here 5 is there, 5. Okay, n into n minus 1, n into n minus 1 get cancelled. So 5 2 transpose left side multiply with 2 equals to n plus 1. 5 times of 2 is 10. 5 times of 2 is 10 equals to n plus 1. 10. 1 transpose left side minus 1 equals to n. 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9 equals to n. Therefore, the value of n is 9. Problem number 2. If 15c to r minus 1 equals to 15c to r plus 4. Okay. See, NCR equals to NCS. NCR equals to NCS. Then n equals to r plus s. So NCR 15c to r minus 1 equals to 15c to r plus 1. So it is in the form of NCR equals to NCS. Then n equal to r plus s. That means, see the question, 15c to r minus 1 equals to 15c to r plus 4. So NCR equals to NCS. Then n equals to r plus s. 2r minus 1 is the r plus 2r plus 4. Now find the value of r. So 15 equals to 2r plus 2r is 4r. Minus 1 plus 3 is minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3. 15 3 transpose to left side minus 3 equals to 4r. So 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 equals to 4r. So 12 4 transpose to left side divided by 4 equals to r. Therefore 4 3 times r equals to 3. R equals to 3. Second one, same concept. NCR equals to NCS. 12c r plus 1 equals to 12c 3r minus 1. Same, n equals to, so 12 equals to r plus 1 plus 3r minus 5. N equals to r plus s. So 12 equals to r plus 3r is 4r. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. 12 minus 4 transpose left side plus 4 equals to 4r. So 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 equals to 4r. So 4 how many times? 4 times. So 4 equals to r. Now see the problem number 3. 12cr equals to 495. Find the possible values of r. So 12cr equals to 495. 12cr formula, NCR formula, n factorial by 12 factorial by 12 minus r factorial into r factorial. The formula is NCR equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial times of r factorial. So equals to 495. 12 factorial by 12 minus r factorial into r factorial. 495 can be written as 11 times 45. 11 4 is 11 5 is. Okay. So 11 times 45 can be written as 9 times of 5. Say the left hand side starts with 12. So multiply numerator and denominator with 12. 12 into 9, 11 into 9 into 5 by 12. Multiply numerator and denominator with 12. So 12 into 11 into 9. So 10 is missing here. So here 5 is there. So multiply with numerator and denominator with 2. 2 is there. So 12. So now 12 times 11 times 5 times 2 10 into 9 by 12 can be written as 4 times 3 into 2. Write 1. Any number into 1 is same number. So now 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 by 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So multiply numerator and denominator with 8 factorial. Now see 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 factorial is 12 factorial by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 4 factorial into 8 factorial. What is this? 12 factorial by 12 minus r factorial into r factorial. See now, 12 factorial by 4 can be written as 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. So 12 minus 8 factorial into 8 factorial. Now see, n factorial by 12 factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. What is the value of r? Therefore r equals to 4. This is first condition. Next, same. That equals to 12 by 12 factorial by, write 4 as it is. 8 factorial can be written as 12 minus 4 factorial. 12 minus 4 is how much? 8. So 12 minus 4 factorial. Now see, n factorial by, this is how the form, n factorial by n minus r factorial. 12 minus 4 factorial. n minus r factorial into r factorial. So what is the value of r now? Therefore r equals to, in this case 8 is the r. Second case, r equals to, see, r equals to 4. Problem number 4. If NC5 equals to NC6, then find 13Cn. This is the first one. Second one is there. First one is NC5 equals to NC6. NC5 equals to NC6. Then find the value of 13Cn. Okay. See, formula NCr equals to NCs. Then n equals to r plus s. n equals to r plus s. See, NC5 equals to NC6, then n equals to 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, now we will find the value of 13Cn. 13Cn, that equals to 13C, n value 11. n value now 11. What is the NCr formula? NCr equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is how the form 13C11 is in the form of NCr. So n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So 13 factorial can be written as 13 times 12 times 11 times 11 factorial. 13 times 12 times 11 factorial by 13 minus 11 is 2 factorial into 11 factorial. So here 11 factorial can cancel. So 13 into 12, 2 factorial value 2 into 1. So 2, how many times now? 6 times. So 13 into 6 by 1. No need to write 1. 13 6 is 78. Second one. Same concept. NC9 equals to NC8. Find NC17. See, this is how the form NCr equals to NCs. Then see, NC9 equals to NCs. Then n equals to 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, that is 17. And value 17. Now we will find NC17. So n value here 17. 17C17. Okay. NCr formula n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So 17 factorial by n factorial by n minus r factorial. 17 minus 17 factorial into 17 factorial. Okay, 17 factorial one time. So 1 by 17 minus 17 is 0. 0 factorial. So 1 by 0 factorial value 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Question number 5. Determine if 2nC3 is to nC3 equals to 12 is to 1. See the solution. 2nC3 is to nC3 equals to 12 is to 1. See, A is to B is nothing but A by B. So 2nC3 is to nC3 is nothing but 2nC3 by nc3 equals to 12 by 1. Now NCR. What is the NCR formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So 2nc3. So this is n now. So n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. R is 3 divided by nc3, ncr, n factorial by n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial equals to 12 by 1. Okay. See one more formula. A by B by C by D equals to A by B into D by C. Now here 3 factorial can cancel. 2n factorial by 2n minus 3 factorial, see A by B by C by D into n minus 3 factorial by n factorial equals to 12 by 1. 12 by 1 is nothing but 12, so write 12 by 1, no problem. So now see 2n factorial. 2n factorial is nothing but 2n times of 2n minus 1 times of 2n minus 2 times of 2n minus 3 factorial divided by 2n minus 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. Here n minus 3 factorial is there, write n minus 3 factorial by n factorial. N factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial equals to 12 by 1. Now 2n minus 3 factorial, 2n minus 3 factorial get cancelled. N minus 3 factorial, n minus 3 factorial get cancelled. Okay, next. N get cancelled. Okay, next. See now. Here 2 is there. 2 times of 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2. Take 2 is the common here. Okay, write 2n minus 2. One more step. 2n minus 2 by here n minus 1 times n minus 2 equals to 12 by 1. That equals to 2 into 2n minus 1. Take 2 is the common here. N minus 1 by n minus 1 into n minus 2 equals to 12 by 1. 12 by 1. Now see, n minus 1 get cancelled. 2 how many times? 6 times. So 2n minus 1. Okay. Again 2 here 3 times. 2n minus 1 by n minus 2. 2n minus 1 by n minus 2 equals to 3 by 1. Do cross multiplication. 1 times 2n minus 1 equals to 3 times n minus 2. So 1 times any number is same number. 2n minus 1 equals to 3 times of n is 3n. 3 times of 2 is 6. Okay. Next. So 3n minus 6. 2n transpose to left side, so right side minus 2n, minus 1 transpose to right side plus 1. Left hand side 0 is there, nothing is there, 0. 3n minus 2n, 1n. 3n minus 2n is n. Minus 6 plus 1, minus 5 equals to 0. Minus 5 transpose to left side plus 5 equals to n. Therefore, the value of n is 5. Problem 5, second one. Determine n if 2nc3 is to nc3 equals to 11 is to 1. So determine n. So solution 2nc3 is to nc3 equals to 11 is to 1. Already I said a formula. A is to B is nothing but A by B. So this one can be written as 2nc3 by nc3 equals to 11 by 1. So what is the formula of NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. See this one, 2n C3. So n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial by, this is also NCR, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial equals to 11 by 1. 3 factorial get cancelled. A by b by c by d. A by b by c by d is nothing but a by b into d by c. So this one can be written as 2n factorial by 2n minus 3 factorial into a by b by c by d. N minus 3 factorial by n factorial equals to 11 by 1. 11 by 1 is nothing but 11. 2n factorial can be written as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial divided by 2n minus 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial divided by n factorial. N factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial equals to 11. Observe that 2n minus 3 factorial, 2n minus 3 factorial get cancelled. N minus 3 factorial, n minus 3 factorial get cancelled. N get cancelled. Okay. So next, 2 times of 2n minus 1. You take 2 is the common from this 2n and minus 2. So take 2 is the common. 2 is the common means n. 2 ones are 2. So n minus 1. Okay. In the denominator, n minus 1 into n minus 2 equals to 11. Now n minus 1 get cancelled. See now. So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 times of 2n minus 1 by n minus 2 equals to 11. See 4 into 2n. So 4 times of 2n minus 4 times of 1 equals to 11. N minus 2 transpose right side, multiply with n minus 2. So 4 2s are 8n minus 4 equals to 11 times of n, 11n. 11 times of minus 2, minus 22. So 11n minus 22 minus 8n transpose to right side, sorry, plus 8n transpose to right side, minus 8n minus 4 transpose to right side, plus 4. Now 11n minus 8n. 11n minus 8n, how much? 11 minus 8 is 3. 3n. Minus 22 plus 4. So minus 8. Here nothing is there. 0. 0. Minus 8n transpose to left side, positive 8n equals to 3n. Okay. Therefore, 3n equals to 18. N equals to 18 over 3. 3 how many times? 6 times. Therefore, n equals to 6. Problem 6. Prove that for 3 less than or equals to r less than or equals to n minus 3 cr plus 3 into n minus 3 cr minus 1 plus 3 into n minus 3 cr minus 2 plus n minus 3 cr minus 3 equals to ncr. Okay, we know the formula ncr plus ncr minus 1. What is the formula ncr plus ncr minus 1? N plus 1 cr. Remember this formula. Okay. Now see LHS part. LHS n minus 3 cr plus 3 into n minus 3 cr minus 1 plus 3 into n minus 3 cr minus 2 plus n minus 3 cr minus 3. Okay, see n minus 3 cr So 3 into n minus 3 cr minus 1 split into two parts. So n minus 3 cr minus 1 plus 2 into n minus 3 cr minus 1. So n minus 3 cr minus 1, 2 into n minus 3 cr minus 1. So 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Plus this one, third term. So can be divided into 2 into n minus 3 cr minus 2 plus n minus 3 cr minus 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Still what is the balance? n minus 3 cr minus 3. Okay. Now keep brackets for these two terms, next to two terms, next to two terms. Okay. See this formula. Consider this one as NCR plus NCR minus 1. See, NCR plus NCR minus 1. What is the formula? N plus 1 CR. So here n is n minus 3. So n plus 1 CR directly. Okay. In these terms, 2 is the common. N minus 3 CR minus 1 plus n minus 3 CR minus 2 plus C. NCR plus NCR minus 1. R minus 2 minus 1 is R minus 3. So same concept. N plus 1 CR. Here n is n minus 3. N plus 1. N plus 1 CR is R minus 2. Next. So n minus 3 plus 2 is minus 2. CR plus 2 into C. NCR. This is NCR plus NCR minus 1. So R minus 1 minus 1 is R minus 2. So NCR plus NCR minus 1. What is the formula? N plus 1 CR. N plus 1 C. Here R is R minus 1 plus N minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. C R minus 2. Okay. That equals to n minus 2 CR plus 2 into n minus 3 plus 1 n minus 2 CR minus 1 plus n minus 2 CR minus 2. That equals to n minus 2 CR plus C. 2 into n minus 2 CR minus 1 converted into n minus 2 CR minus 1 plus n minus 2 CR minus 1. So n minus 2 CR minus 1, n minus 2 CR minus 1 equals to 2 into n minus 2 CR minus 1 plus n minus 2 CR minus 2. Now keep brackets from the first two terms and the next two terms. See. Now see n CR plus n CR minus 1. Same formula. N plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR. Plus here also NCR plus NCR minus 1. Okay, R minus 1 minus 1. R minus 2. So n minus 2 plus 1 CR minus 1. So n minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 CR plus here also n minus 2 plus 1. So n minus 1 CR minus 1. See NCR plus NCR minus 1. So n plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So n CR which equals to RHS. Problem number 7. Prove that 34C5 plus sigma r equals to 0 to 4, 38 minus r C4 equals to 39 C5. Okay. See the LHS part. 34 C5 plus sigma r equals to 0 to 4, 38 minus r C4. Sigma is nothing but addition. Okay. We know the formula. What is the formula? We know the formula is there. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to N plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR. Okay. 34 C5 plus. See, sigma R equals to 0 to 4. 38 minus R C4. Here 0 is the lower limit. 4 is called upper limit. So sigma, first keep R equals to 0. 38 minus 0 C4. 38 minus 1 C4. 38 minus 2 C4. 38 minus 3 C4. Plus 38 minus 4 C4. Okay, from right last to first. So for our convenience only, 38 minus 4. First R equals to 4. C4. Plus 38 minus 3 C4 plus sigma is nothing but addition. 38 minus 2 C3 plus 38 minus 1 C4 plus 38 minus 0 C4. Okay, next step. So 34 C5 plus 38 minus 4 34 C4. 38 minus 3 35 C4. 38 minus 2 36 C4. 37 C4. 38 C4. Okay. Now see carefully. NCR. See, this is NCR. NC 5 minus 1 4. NCR plus NCR minus 1. What is the formula? NCR plus NCR minus 1. N plus 1 CR. So 34 plus 1 C R value 5. Remaining steps as this, terms as this. So 36 C4, 37 C4, 38 C4. 34 plus 1 is 35 C5. Okay, plus 35 C4 plus 36 C4 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4. Now observe these two terms. NCR, NC 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. NCR minus 1. So again, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to N plus 1 CR. So this is 35 plus 1 CR. 35 plus 1 CR. CR value 5. So next plus 36 C4, 37 C4, 38 C4. Next 35 plus 1 is 36. 35 plus 1 is 36. 36 C5 plus 36 C4 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4. Next, observe these two terms. So NCR plus NCR minus 1. Same N plus 1 CR. So that equals to 36 plus 1. C R value 5. Plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4. See, 36 plus 1 is 37 C5 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4. Keep brackets from these two terms. Again, NCR minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So N plus 1 CR. So 37 plus 1 CR. R is 5 plus 38 C4. Next, 37 plus 1 is 38. 37 plus 1 is 38 C5 plus 38 C4. That equals to NCR minus 1. So N plus 1 C R is 5. So 38 plus 1 is 39 C5, which equals to RHS. Prove that 4n C2n by 2ncn equals to 1 into 3 into 5 into so on 4n minus 1 divided by 1 into 3 into 5 into so on 2n minus 1 whole square. First, let us take LHS. What is LHS? 4n c 2n by 2n c n. We know the formula NCR. What is the formula of NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is how the form NCR. So n factorial by n minus r factorial. So n is 4n, r is 2n. n minus r factorial into r factorial divided by NCR, n factorial by n minus r factorial 2ncn 2n minus n factorial into n factorial. That equals to 4n factorial by 4n minus 2n is 2n factorial. Here also one more 2n factorial is there, by 2n factorial by 2n minus n is n factorial into n factorial. See another formula, a by b by c by d. What is the formula a by b by c by d? A by b times of reciprocal of c by d is d by c. So this is also like that only, a by b c by d. So a by 4n factorial by 2n factorial into 2n factorial, 2n factorial whole square into see a by b by c by d. C by d reciprocal is d by c. What is d here? N factorial into n factorial. So n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. Okay. Now expansion of 4n factorial. The expansion of n factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into so on. So 4n factorial is 4n into 4n minus 1, 4n minus 2, so on, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by denominator also 2n factorial. So 2n into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, so on, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 square. Still numerator n factorial is there, denominator 2n factorial is there. So in the numerator n factorial whole square, denominator 2n factorial. Okay. Now separate even numbers and odd numbers. That means even terms and odd terms. So even term 4n is even term. Next even term is 4n minus 2. Next even term is 4n minus 4. So on 4 into 2. Odd terms 4n minus 1. Next 4n minus 3. So on 3 times of 1 by c. 2n here also separate even terms and odd terms. 2n, next even term is 2n minus 2, so on 4 into 2 square. Odd terms, so 2n minus 1, next odd term is 2n minus 3, so on 3, 1. Here also square, so square into n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. Now see, in the numerator everywhere n is 2 is the common term. So take 2 is the common, 1, 2, 3, so on. So take 2 is the common. So 2n, here also 2 is the common. 2 common means 2n minus 1, so on. Take 2 is the common, 2, 1. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 2n's. So 2 power 2n. Okay. into 4n minus 1, 4n minus 3, so on 3 into 1 by denominator also take 2 is the common. Take 2 is the common. N take 2 is the common here. N minus 1, so on 2 1. So how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, so on up to n. So 2 power n. Square is there, right square. Into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, so on 3 into 1 square. Multiply with n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. Okay. See, 2 power 2n into 2n minus 1, so on 2 into 1 into 4n minus 1, right from last to first, 1 into 3 into 5, so on 4n minus 1 divided by a power m whole power n, 2 power n whole square is nothing but 2 power 2n. So write this term, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into so on. This term is n factorial. Square is there, write the square. Okay. Into 1, 3, 5, so on. So write 1 into 3 into 5 into so on 2n minus 1 whole square into n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. Okay. See, 1 into 2 into 3 into so on up to 2n. So this is the value 2n factorial. This is the value 2n factorial. Okay, now see, 2 power 2n get cancelled. 2 power 2n get cancelled. So n factorial whole square cancel. 2n factorial cancel. Still, what is the final term? So 1 into see the last term, 1 into, so 3 into 5 into so on 4n minus 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 into so on 2n minus 1 whole square, which equals to RHS. In your class, there are 30 students. If each of student plays a chess game with each of the other student, then find the total number of chess games by them. In this class, how many students are there? 30 students. So total number of students equals to 30. Okay. Each pair of student plays one game to each other. So each pair of student plays exactly one game with each other. Here observe that two persons, for example, two students are there. Let us say A and B. If A is playing with B, is same as B is playing with A. So A is playing with B is same as B is playing with A. Here order is not important, but here only we are taking only combinations. Okay, we are taking two students from out of 30. So total number of games equals to 30 students. We are choosing only 2 students. So 30 C2. So we know that NCR formula n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So 30 factorial by n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So 30 factorial. So 30 factorial by 30 minus 2 is 28 factorial. Multiply with 2 factorial. 30 factorial can be written as 30 times of 29 times of 28 factorial by 28 factorial into 2 factorial. So 28 factorial get cancelled. 2 factorial can be written as 2 times of 1. 2 times of 1. So 2 how many times? 15 times. So for 15 times of 29. 15 times of 29. 15 times of 29 is 435 games. See the problem number 10. Find the number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 2 consonants from the letters of the word equation. Selecting is nothing but combination. Remember the point. Selection is nothing but combination. Arrangement is nothing but permutation. The difference between permutation and combination is selections, combinations. Permutation means arrangements. Okay. So here what is the equation? What is the word equation? Given the word equation. Given the word equation, how many vowels are there? What are the vowels? A, E, I, O are called the vowels. E, U, A, I, O. Number of vowels equals to 5. E, U, A, I, O. So 5. Number of consonants other than vowels are called consonants. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. See, number of ways of selecting 3 vowels. How many vowels are there here? 5 vowels. Okay. Number of ways of selecting. Okay. 3 vowels out of 5 vowels. So 3 vowels out of 5 vowels. So 5 vowels are there. We are selecting only 3. 5, C3. Next. Number of ways of selecting. Next one is what? 2 consonants. 2 consonants out of how many consonants are there? 3. 3 equals to 3C2. 3C2. So now total number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 2 consonants. Total number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 2 consonants. 2 consonants from the letters of the word equation. Equation is equals to, simply do the multiplication. 5C3 into 3C2. 5C3 into 3C2. We know the formula. What is the formula? NCR formula. N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. So 5C3 means 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Multiply with, this is also NCR. N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So that equals to 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 how much? 2 factorial into 3 factorial equals to, multiply with 3 factorial by 3 minus 2, 1 factorial into 2 factorial. See now, 5 factorial can be written as 5 times of 4 times of 3 factorial. divided by 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1 multiply with 3 factorial into 3 factorial can be written as 3 times of 2 factorial by 1 factorial value 1 into 2 factorial. Okay, now observe that 3 factorial get cancelled, 2 factorial get cancelled. 2 how many times? 2 times. So 2 5 times of 2 is, so 5 times of 2 by 1 into 3 times 3 by 1. 5 times of 2 is 10, 10 times of 3 is 30. 30 by 1 is 30. So the number of ways is 30. Permutations and combinations, problem number 11. Find the number of diagonals of a polygon with 12 sides. Okay. The number of diagonals of a n-sided polygon is 1 by 2 into n minus 3. The number of diagonals of a n-sided polygon equals to half into n minus 3. Okay. Here how many sides are there? 12 sides. The number of diagonals of a 12-sided polygon equals to half into, so 12 replace 12. 12 into 12 minus 3. Okay. See now, that equals to half into 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. So 2 how many times? 6 times. So 6 into 9. That equals to 54. So the number of diagonals are 54. Permutation combinations, exercise 6.3, problem 12. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? This is a circle. The circle consists of 21 points. 21 points like this. Okay. So how many chords can be drawn? So chord means what? A line segment drawn any 2 points of the circle is called chord. So how many such chords can be drawn from 21 points on a circle? Okay. A chord have 2 points on a circle. Okay. So number of, here total how many points are there? 21 points. So total number of points on the circle equals to 21. So number of chords can be drawn through 21 points. 21 points on a circle equals to, here 21 points are there. Okay, a chord can be drawn with 2 points. So 21 C2. 21 C2. What is the formula of NCR? Formula of NCR. So n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So 21 factorial by 21 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So 21 factorial by 21 minus 2 is 19 factorial into 2 factorial. 21 factorial can be written as 21 times of 20 times of 19 factorial by 19 factorial into 2 factorial can be written as 2 times of 1. So 19 factorial get cancelled. So 21 into 20 by 2 into 1. 2 into 1. 2 how many times? 10 times. So 21 into 10 by 1. Okay, 21 to 10 by 9. 1 is 21 into 10 only. So 21 into 10, 210 chords. Therefore, the number of chords can be drawn. 21 points on a circle is 210 chords.